Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today. Today we're going to look at 5 word pairs that often cause students confusion. So stop making these mistakes today. Before we start, please like, share, subscribe. Let's get started. The first word pair is whole versus all of the or all the. So let's look at something that is incorrect. The whole people were happy with the meal. This is incorrect. Correct. All the people were happy with the meal. You could also say all of the people. Now, why is this correct and incorrect? Well, when you use whole, you go whole plus singular. It means 100% of that thing. When you use all of the, it means 100% of one thing, or it means every unit in the group. Here's the good news. If you are confused, use all of the or all the because it can always be correct. Whole cannot always be correct. Let's look at some more examples. I watched the whole movie. This is correct. I watched all of the movie. This is correct. Why? Because the movie is one thing and you're talking about every minute of the movie. Okay, so you will decide if the following sentences are correct and which ones are incorrect. So I met the whole team. Correct. I met the whole players on the team. Incorrect. You could say I met all the players on the team or I met every player on the team. You will not use whole because whole needs to go before singular. I finished the whole book. Correct. I ate the whole cupcakes. Incorrect, because cupcakes is plural. It has an S. I ate the whole cake. That can be correct. Okay, so you know the difference between whole and all. So let's move to number 2, suspect versus doubt. Now we are using these as verbs here. We are looking at them as verbs. We are not worried about the noun today. So suspect versus doubt. Notice my pronunciation, doubt. Not doubt, just doubt. Okay, let's look at a question. The person asks, who do you think ate chocolate? And this person says, I doubt Maria. She loves chocolate. This is incorrect. Better, I suspect Maria. She loves chocolate. Oh, Maria and her chocolate. So when we suspect a person, we think that the person did a bad thing, but we are not 100% sure. We think they did it. For example, I suspect Keisuke of the crime. So I think Keisuke committed the crime, but I'm not 100% sure. I could also say I suspect that Keisuke committed the crime. So I think this is true. It's a bad thing, but I'm not sure. However, when we use doubt and a person doubts, it's usually person doubts that subject plus verb. And what this means is you think it might not be true. You think it isn't accurate. You might be skeptical. For example, person A says, did you know that the average height in Canada is 193 centimeters? Person B says, I doubt that. I doubt that's true. So this person is saying, I think you're wrong. I don't believe it. You would not use suspect here. Now, if I said, I doubt someone, that means I think they might be lying. Let's look at one more example. Your wallet is missing. Only Alan was in the room when you left. You think Alan stole your wallet. So you suspect Alan of stealing your wallet. You suspect Alan stole your wallet. Okay, no doubt here, but you suspect Alan, you suspect him of stealing your wallet. You talk to Alan and he says, I didn't steal it. You think he's lying, so you doubt that he's telling the truth. You doubt his words. All right, let's go to number 3. Economic versus economical. This is a common mistake. Wrong. The country's economical situation is very positive. That's wrong. Correct. The country's economic situation is very positive. I don't know which country this is. I've never heard of any country talking about a positive economic situation. It's almost always negative. But economic is the adjective related to economy. So, for example, the economic conditions make it hard to get a job. So the conditions in the economy. Or Brazil's economic situation is not great. The situation with the economy. So this is connected to the economy. Economic is related to economy. However, economical means money saving. It saves you money. For example, you save money by being a vegetarian. It is economical to be a vegetarian because meat is usually expensive. Or it is economical to ride a bicycle instead of a car. You save money by riding a bicycle. You might get there later, but you can save money. Okay, let's go to number 4, incident versus accident. So let's look at something that's wrong. 2 of the employees got into a physical fight at work. As a manager, it is my job to deal with this accident. This is incorrect. Better would be to say it is my job to deal with this incident. We use incident because there was a purpose. Someone decided to fight. It wasn't a complete mistake. At least one of the people wanted to fight. If somebody stole a woman's purse, this is not an accident. This is an incident because somebody wanted to do this. Somebody planned to do this. Okay, so now let's go to number 5. We're going to look at find, found, found, and found, founded, founded. Now, this can be very difficult, but let's look at an example here. It says, Bill Gates found Microsoft in 1975. This is incorrect. We should say Bill Gates founded Microsoft. So when we use found, founded, founded, it means to start an organization, start a company. This is the year you started. So I think McDonald's was founded in 1952, maybe? I could be wrong. Write in the comments below. But when we use find, found, found, this is about discover. For example, I can't find my car keys. I need to find them. If I find them, then I found them. So notice the verb tense. Find, found, found, discover, found, founded, founded, start a new company. All right, so these are 5 confusing words for people. I hope you learned something. Lots of information. Please share, subscribe, like. Have a wonderful day.